Welcome to Pivot Online, your gateway to unlimited possibilities. Are you ready to learn how to make $2.50 in just 5 seconds by watching YouTube videos? In today's video, we're about to uncover the secret to making money online in 2023. Microworkers. So, without further ado, allow me to introduce you to microworkers, your first step into the world of making money by watching YouTube videos. While it's known for being one of the lowest paying websites in our list, don't let that deter you just yet. There's a secret trick that can significantly boost your earnings. Microworkers offers a diverse range of microjobs, with watching YouTube videos being just one of the options. The beauty of it is that these tasks aren't confined by your location. Regardless of whether you're in India, the Philippines, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Vietnam, or anywhere else globally, you can tap into the world of online earning. To maximize your experience on microworkers, it's crucial to select the highest paying YouTube jobs available. The platform conveniently allows you to sort these tasks, ensuring you get the best return on your invested time. These tasks are designed to be quick and straightforward, taking just 3 to 5 minutes to complete. The core of this opportunity lies in watching YouTube videos, something you might already do for free. Here, you get compensated for your time. Picking tasks that offer the most money for the least time is essential, and Microworkers provides clear information about this. The TTF, or time taken to finish section, indicates how long you need to watch a video to earn a specific amount. The process is straightforward. Select a job, watch a YouTube video, and provide proof of your work by uploading screenshots, usually through free websites like prnt.sc. After watching the video, you can anticipate payment within a specified time frame. Microworkers, maximizing earnings and easy withdrawals. Microworkers, while low-paying, offers an exciting opportunity to boost your earnings significantly. You can multiply your income by watching the same videos by employing a game-changing bonus trick. The key to maximizing your earnings on Microworkers is simple. Create multiple accounts. By having 10 accounts, you can complete video tasks 10 times, turning cents into dollars. For instance, if you earn 20 cents for watching a video on one account, with the bonus trick, you'll make $2 for the same video, greatly increasing your income. But that's not all. You can further enhance your earnings by multitasking. Open multiple tabs and watch several videos simultaneously, increasing your income within the same time frame. Withdrawals are straightforward. Once your earnings reach the $5 minimum withdrawal limit on Microworkers, you can request a withdrawal. Simply click Withdraw, choose your preferred payment method, and you'll be on your way to converting your time spent watching videos into a rewarding income source. Rapid Workers, a similar platform but with better pay. Our journey into the world of making money through YouTube videos has been nothing short of fascinating. Having explored the landscape of microworkers, it's time to take a deeper dive into our second destination, Rapid Workers. What sets Rapid Workers apart is its remarkable generosity in compensating your time. While Microworkers might have rewarded you in cents, Rapid Workers takes things up a notch by offering dollars for similar tasks. The typical pay for watching YouTube videos on Rapid Workers ranges from 50 cents to a whopping $2.50, and some tasks even offer up to $3 if you watch the video and subscribe to the channel. It's like leveling up in the world of online earning, and we're here to guide you through every step of the process. The process on Rapid Workers is simple and efficient, allowing you to make the most of your YouTube viewing time. You'll find a range of microjobs, including video tasks, which are quick and straightforward, taking just 3 to 5 minutes to complete. It's a win-win situation. You get to enjoy YouTube videos and earn money for your time. Furthermore, you can maximize your earnings on Rapid Workers by employing the bonus tip we discussed earlier. Open multiple accounts, complete video tasks simultaneously, and witness your earnings multiply before your eyes. It's a fantastic opportunity that can turn your free time into a profitable venture. And if you're wondering about the withdrawal process, Rapid Workers has got you covered. Once your balance reaches a specific threshold, you can request a withdrawal to access your hard-earned earnings. It's simple and efficient. However, there's a unique aspect to consider. Rapid Workers primarily processes withdrawals through PayPal, so be prepared with a PayPal account to make the most of your earnings. Rapid Workers is more than just a platform. It's a gateway to substantial rewards. Whether you're in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, India, Nigeria, the Philippines, or anywhere else, you can elevate your online earnings on this platform. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. Sprout Gigs, the most paying website. Our journey to unearth the secrets of earning money by watching YouTube videos has taken us through micro workers and rapid workers. And now we arrive at the grand finale, Sprout Gigs. This is where your efforts are not just appreciated but handsomely rewarded, making it the highest paying website among the 3 we've explored. The real magic happens on Sprout Gigs, where you can make up to $2 by watching a mere 5-second video. Yes, you read that right. We're about to share how you can unlock this incredible earning potential. And if you're wondering, is there more? Of course there is. We've got a bonus trick up our sleeve that can boost your earnings even further. One power creating multiple accounts, which, when combined with the bonus trick, can turn your earnings from mere cents to substantial sums. By watching the same video multiple times across different accounts, you can see your earnings soar. Sprout Gigs offers another golden opportunity in the form of a special task. It rewards you not only for watching a video, but also for subscribing to the channel. This extra step can earn you up to $3 for a single task. It's a fantastic way to maximize your earnings while supporting content creators on YouTube. What makes Sprout Gigs stand out are the diverse tasks it provides. In addition to video watching tasks, you can delve into various micro jobs such as testing, mobile application tasks, social media tasks, surveys, and more. Each of these tasks can be completed in just 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring you make the most of your time. Now, let's dive into the withdrawal process. When you've accumulated earnings on Sprout Gigs and are ready to access your hard-earned cash, the platform offers a simple and efficient withdrawal process. You can select your preferred payment method, and once your balance reaches the minimum withdrawal limit, you're set to request your earnings. This means that not only does Sprout Gigs offer the highest payouts, but it also ensures that your earnings are accessible and ready for you to enjoy. Your efforts are rewarded promptly, and you can use the money you've earned as you see fit. So, if you're eager to maximize your online earnings, Sprout Gigs is your golden ticket. It's the final destination on our journey, and it's bound to astonish you with its earning potential. With the bonus trick and a little extra effort, you can turn your YouTube viewing time into a substantial source of income. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.